Good morning. It is day 53 on the AZT on an uphill quest, side quest to get to a wildlife tank and get some water because this bottle is all I have left. And this is going to be the last water I'm getting until Tusayan. So I have like a 19-mile carry, which is nothing, you know. Yeah, there's a fence, so the tank, wildlife tank, must be over here. Let's check it out. But first things first, it's day 53 on the AZT. The hunt is on. The quest to get to Tusayan, get a nice dinner, and sleep in a bed instead of the tent. And yeah, we're going to see the Grandview Tower before that, so we're going to have breakfast there. There's the water. And yeah, really excited. Let's do this. Day 53 on the AZT. Let's go! And we have seen one of these before. It was a long way back. You climb underneath and you can get water out of the tanks. I'm gonna go in the snake den. I'm gonna find a good spot. So they said tank number 10 or what did they say? I think 4 too. Let's see. What is in here? I gotta get in there. So you climb underneath and there's these huge tanks. And this one, see, it's good that I'm short because I can stand up in here. So this one has, oh, these are 2 bolts. No, it might not be this one. Which one could it be? Let's see.
I know.
Never know what you're reaching into. Hello! Anybody down in the tank? This is like a horror movie.
Yeah.
It could be someone lurking in there.
I'm glad you're reaching in first.
Yeah. I'm the guinea pig. So this looks pretty good. Pretty clear. I filter some. How long is this going to take?
Every single time. Takes forever is the answer. By the time I'm done, my hair's gonna be gray. God damn it.
I'm ready to retire
Yes.
as soon as I'm done.
I'm gonna need to update my resume by the time this shit's done.
All the years we spend here, no other hikers in sight.
Yeah.
We're still the only ones.
Yup. The AZT's been closed, actually.
Yeah, it doesn't exist anymore by the time we're done with the filtering.
Due to underuse.
I'm going back in.
Going back for more?
This is the worst. Whoever invented this should be punished. The worst bottle I have ever seen.
That's hilarious. They should have to brush their teeth with bear spray every morning.
Yes, they should. Look at this. It just...
The thru hiker must look nice when he's or she's going into town. So he's got to make sure he's tucking in his shirt and looking good for the public.
That's right. Well, this could be, I'm not saying it is, but it could be part of the Grand Canyon, so we're moving. We've come a long way since Mexico. And look where we have to go. Utah, 124. Tusayan, that's today, 15 miles. Grandview Lookout Trail, yeah, 0.4. And we made it to the tower, Grandview Tower. We're gonna climb that, but we're gonna have breakfast, of course, first. And gonna check out the little restroom here, hoping again that they have trash cans. Let's check it out. Huge tower, look at that. Woohoo! So they have nice restrooms here. They have toilet paper right next to the tower. We're gonna take a nice break here after 7 miles. And again, no trash cans. Oh well. And this is breakfast. Peach oatmeal with some extra cinnamon. A fruit jerky. Honey stinger. Energy waffle. Chocolate coffee. And I still have lots of snacks for today. Leaving our breakfast spot. And we're gonna climb the tower now. All the way to the top. There it is, lots of steps to the top.
What?
There's only 2 people allowed up there. I'm one. I'm also carrying my backpack up here because I'm strong. So there's the hatch, but it's locked. We can't get up onto the tower. They all lie to us out here, but we're high up. I mean, see? All the way to the ground. Best view is behind me here. There's the canyon. I'm gonna show you. Look at that view.
That's
wow.
amazing.
Welcome to the Grand Canyon. We hiked here from Mexico. Made it to the Grand Canyon. Very close to it. Not yet, but this is the first glimpse of the Grand Canyon. Wow. See, there's we heading back down the stairs. The things you find on the trail. A chair. We have 10 miles to go, about a little under 10, to Tusayan. Very excited. And yeah, the Grandview Tower, it was a nice side quest. And now we're moving on.
Beautiful.
Another episode, what you find on trail, a toilet seat. But really exciting is this, that we're only 11 miles from the Grand Canyon National Park boundary. We're going to be there tomorrow. Very exciting. Where's the trail? Could be over there or over here. Another episode, what you find on trail. I'm not going to touch it. It's like a shirt. Taking a break. This is my lunch. It looks delicious. Some M&Ms, some Rice Krispie treats, some Spam, some beef steak, and some candy. And we have 7.5 miles to get to Tusayan. It is 12:30 right now, so. There's some cows in the back. They're probably gonna run. Sometimes they take off running, and sometimes they just stand there and stare at us. So we don't know what kind of breed this one is. Okay, they're runners. Here they go. Taking off. There's a whole bunch of them in there under the trees. Grand Canyon cows. That trash. Woohoo!
We got Wendy's.
Where is the lodge? Salvation is here. Wow, nice. We made it! Woohoo! I film like a video a day of what we're doing. So,
Vlogging it.
yes.
Yeah.
This is always my favorite part. Being showered and have my laundry done. And I always do this. It smells so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring this back to the room, and now we're gonna go get some dinner at a Western style, like steakhouse kind of thing. Real dinner in clean clothes and showered.
Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Pooh, that was a good dinner. And tomorrow, 7 miles to the Grand Canyon. So that's the I'm gonna come back here tomorrow, but I'm gonna hike up 7 miles to the Grand Canyon, and then yeah, see what it's like up there. Ask about permits and stuff, and figure some things out, and then yeah, we'll see. But for now, I'm tired. My feet still hurt. They're like poor little feet. But all right, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Good night.